we needs a few good taters.
What's taters, precious? What's taters, huh?
Potatoes. Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew.
All right, we're coming to a close, both on Tater Fest and on the year. So, let's wrap it all up. I'm betting that people at home have leftover potatoes, so today I'm going to show you what you can do with your leftover baked potatoes and mashed potatoes. Good, right? I bet you Sam approves. Ha!
You're hopeless.
All right, to start off with, we're going to celebrate the closing of the year and the closing of Tater Fest with some celebration juice.
Whoa! Homer, it's like there's a party in my mouth and everyone's invited.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Anyway, to get started, we're going to try to use up this leftover baked potato. All right, we're going to make some home fries. Now, you don't need to have a baked potato to do home fries. You can start with a regular potato. It just takes a lot longer and you have to start on a lower heat. But to begin with, we're going to use our baked potato. Alright, all of our home fries are diced up. Those are ready to go. So next we're going to work on the leftover mashed potatoes. Now this is probably the thing you have the most leftover from. You had Christmas dinner, you had Thanksgiving dinner, you had all kinds of stuff with mashed potatoes. So this one will come in the most handy. We're basically just going to make some mashed potato pancakes.
I love it!
Alright, so dig in, use God's little helpers, your hands. And we're going to make little flat pancakes. Like so. And you're going to repeat until this thing is full. There we go. We have our little pancakes ready to go. I might throw some cheese on here real quick because my Midwestern is showing.
Oh, you betcha, yeah.
Be right back. Alright, there we go. We have everything ready to go. I might just throw on some salt and pepper just for a little extra something. We'll throw on some onion powder. Garlic powder. Salt. And black pepper. Okay, I'm going to flip these and season the other side. I'll meet you guys over at the oven. To this pan, we're going to add about a tablespoon of butter or so. About a tablespoon's worth of olive oil. Maybe a tablespoon and a half. Just enough to cover the bottom of this pan. There we go. For those at home who can guess, what am I doing?
I don't know.
You might have guessed I'm building a depth of flavor. I'm layering my flavors, otherwise known by the Japanese as building umami.
You keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
Alright, she might leave me after that one, but I still stand by it. It's a good idea, and it's a funny joke. Okay. All right. So this is starting to get pretty darn warm. I'm going to turn our heat down to a medium low, and I'm going to add our home fries. Yep. Okay, there we go. Kind of shake them around to get them evenly covered on the bottom there. And for whatever reason, I like to season my home fries and hash browns and all that while they're in the pan. That might not be the right way to do it, but that's the way I like to do it. So, salt. There we go. Black pepper. Onion powder. And garlic powder. Now, because these are baked potatoes, or this was a baked potato, all I have to do is wait for these potatoes to get browned and crispy on the outside. If you're starting with a raw potato, you need to start on a very low heat. Let the potatoes get cooked through with the lid on, and then afterwards you're going to jump everything up to a higher heat. But for me, I don't need to wait for it to cook through because it's already cooked. So we're just going to jump up to that higher heat, and I'm going to mix these guys around so that they can get even coverage of all the oil and the butter. All right. And now we're just going to wait till they start turning brown. In the meantime, let's go celebrate. If you don't have an instant read thermometer at home, I recommend you get one. You want your oil to be around 325 to 330 degrees, and once it hits there, I would turn the heat very, very low. If you don't have an instant read thermometer at home, then what I would do is I would grab a little tester, okay? We're gonna fry that puppy up and just see what happens. We're going to let this guy go while we attend to our home fries, okay? Let's check on these fellas. Remember, we only need them to be golden brown. My goodness, if you're a fan of potatoes, this is the video for you. If you're not a fan of potatoes, still watch it, because I need the views. All right, let's check this guy. Flip it over. Okay, not bad. I think it could have taken a few more minutes. You know what? I'm gonna go grab my celebration juice and just kind of take it easy. It might need a few more minutes to cook. Let's give this fella another look-see.
No, 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 no.
Well, that didn't work out. Anyway, let's check on our home fries.
Inner peace. Inner peace.
Our home fries are looking lovely, lovely. Just want all of the sides to be browned if we can get it, but this is straight on to done. A very nice and easy day today for cooking. There we go. I had to ditch the shallow frying idea for pan frying. I did not like the way that was turning out, but that's the way it goes sometimes. You gotta adapt on the fly. Ha! But we'll see how this guy goes in about another 2-3 minutes, and we'll come back to it. But meanwhile, home fries are looking fantastic. Look at these guys go. They are looking beautiful. Now all we need to do is taste it, and pretty sure we're good. These are beautiful. We're going to kill the heat now. It was on high. I'm turning it all the way up. I'm going to leave it here and just kind of let it rest. while I figure out these mashed potato pancakes the way I like them. Okay? So, see you in a minute. Alright, this is the one that's going the way I'd like. Just enough oil to cover the bottom of this pan, barely enough, okay? Super hot cast iron pan, and you have your potato pancake there.
It's so simple.
Had a little bit of trial and error, but we figured it out. And we're doing this on a medium-high heat for about, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes until the outside gets nice and brown and crispy. That should help to hold it together, but if it falls apart, I don't mind because these things are yummy regardless. All right, I got a little taster.
Then he tastes it.
That was fantastic. Okay, I say this is just about perfect. I'm going to scoop this one off. Pour a little tiny bit more oil in here, let it get up to heat, and put the rest in the frying pan. See you in a minute. All right, we have our oil in this frying pan. I'm going to slap down the rest of our potato pancakes. All right, that's enough for now. We're going to let these cook for another 3 to 5 minutes on both sides until they're nice and golden brown. There are people out there who like a little bit darker. If you like it that much, go right ahead. This is your journey, okay? Let's take a look at our potato pancakes. Ooh, all right. I like the way this looks. Perfect. There we are. Light brown, that's exactly what I was hoping for. Oh, this one's falling apart. This one's falling apart. I'm doing that one last. I'm gonna need a little extra help to make sure this one doesn't completely collapse and fall apart. And the flip. There we are. There, we did it. Now we wait another 3 to 5 minutes. Woohoo! Got them all flipped, just like I flipped your mom. Oh my God, they just never stop being funny.
That I am not amused. Yes.
All right, let's check the other side of this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, and that's one falling apart, but we'll love them just the same. All right, we're gonna let these guys rest for about 2 to 3 minutes. I have another potato pancake to cook up, and I'll meet you guys when that thing's ready to go. And here we have our finished result. We have our home fries first.
That's what we're after right there, fellas. There she is.
Nice and crispy and delightful. If you want your low effort, high reward, this is definitely the one. Whether you use a baked potato or a raw potato, this is fantastic. It's one of my favorite potato dishes of all time. And we have our mashed potato pancake. Hang on, I need to celebrate. Let's take a bite of these suckers.
This is tasty.
I think these are my favorite. I think these are my favorite of all time. If you have mashed potatoes to use, I would definitely do these. I know there's some instant mashed potatoes out there that are very similar to the real thing, and I bet you could use those for this just fine. There's a ton of adaptability for this. You can put cheese in there. You could put like green onions in there. And ここからちょっと日本語で、このマッシュポテトパンケーキにエビ入ったらすごい美味しいだ。
He thinks he's a ninja.
And for the English speakers out there, if you put some shrimp in this, I think it'd be very good. You want to cook or boil the shrimp ahead of time, but that would be insanely good. Okay. So, these are my 2 potato leftover dishes. Please let me know, everybody at home, what do you like to have for your leftover potato dishes? My mom used to tell me all the time, there's no such thing as leftovers, it's just pre-cooking. And these two dishes prove that 100%. All right. So please give me a like, a share, subscribe. Please help me build up my subscriber count. All right. On YouTube and Rumble both. Rumble is surprisingly doing very, very well for me. So thank you all on Rumble very much. I wasn't expecting that at all. YouTube, thank you very much. We're still growing, but we got a little ways to go. If anybody wants to buy some Dad's Cooking merch, please go to my merch store and buy some. There we go. Until next time, everybody, have a good one. Yeah. Yeah. My manager says thank you all for watching this year. It's the first year of Dad's Cooking, and it's been a lot of fun. All right. So, I'll see everybody next year. Yeah. Oh, she's saying bye-bye. She's waving bye-bye. It's not yet. Well, it's okay.